What's up, what's up, what's up? What going on, my people? Yeah, so I'm having a my sink here. Some sorrel, some good old Jamaican sorrel, fresh sorrel. I'm going to draw this now, you know. And guys, I'm going to show you some sorrel. I'm going to show you 2 buckets of sorrel that I have. I put those 2 buckets down for how much years now? Probably 3 years now. I have these buckets. I'm going to show it to you. Yeah, so stick and stain and look out for that sorrel wine. Alright, so we're going, you don't know our drill already with my sorrel, and I'm washing my sorrel. You know, I dash some salt all over. So I'm going to proceed to wash these, get them clean up and all. I'm going to leave them for a few minutes in the water though. I'm not going to just take them out just like that, because I put the sorrel on it. I want it to stay a little. I don't know, when you wash the sorrel, sometimes you see some little black thing come up. Hence the reason why I always use my salt. And as I say, guys, I buy salt different for this. I buy some bag salt different just to wash my sorrel whenever time I'm doing my sorrel. So yeah, man, I eat that, you know. I leave that for a minute or two. Alright guys, so this is my sorrel all wash and clean. So I'm cleaning up the ginger now. So what I do, I scrape my ginger. If you feel comfortable peeling yours, you can go ahead and peel it. But I normally scrape my ginger. Sometimes you get some turbo ginger too. That we just peel it off, you know. When we get the nice pretty ginger, then we just scrape them. So depending on the dish that I am doing, I will peel my ginger depending on the dish. And based on I have to grate it, or based on I have to peel it for the outcome of the dish. But I normally scrape it, right? So yeah, man, I eat this. So right now, guys, let's bust my ginger into any piece you can bust into. You bust it into. What we're going to do now, we're going to pound the ginger, right? And guys, you see this stick here? I have to cherish it, and I can't throw it away. My husband made this for me. I wanted something to do. I had a dish, I was making that dish, and I didn't have the stick to use. I didn't have anything to use to do what I want to do, to pound something. And trust me, you get to work and get the job done. And when I see it, I say, oh my. Even if I bought one of the real thing that I want, I am not going to throw this away. So yeah, I have the real thing now, but I continue using this. I mean, when you feel good for see me, I use it too. Kind of praise, you know. Anyway, thank you, honey. Big up to the good husband out there. Thank you. Loving praising the people, and I know it already, so maybe do it. Alright, so I'm just going to toss my ginger in my pot after I finish pounding the ginger. Then I'm going to add some water to my sorrel pot. Alright, this one some more, guys, so I'm going to put some more on it. Adding the rest of my water. And we want to make sure that our sorrel is covered in water. So I'm just gonna cover this now and allow to draw. Remember, you're not boiling the sorrel, you are drawing the sorrel. Alright, now guys, now that our sorrel has draw, yeah, this is draw. I don't want it to boil, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock off the stove and I'm going to allow it to cool while it still continue drying. Although the stove going to lock off, although the heat going to turn off from underneath the pot, yeah, still a go dry. I eat that, man. So this is our lovely Jamaican sorrel juice, authentic sorrel. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to strain it off. Alright, so stay with me. This nice lovely sorrel juice. Whoa. Yes guys, so this is nice sorrel. I'm going to mix now with my nice brown sugar. You can go ahead and you can use white sugar. Use what you prefer, guys. Remember, you're making it for your likings, so you use the sugar that you prefer, or the sweetener, any sweetener that you prefer, you use it. All right. And to cure this, you know, you just throw a little rum in it. Dash some few grains of rice. I don't know if you guys know. To cure the sorrel, what we would normally do is we dash 2 grains of rice, uncooked rice grain, and what again, we put pimento berries, and we also dash cloves. And we leave it. You can also put a piece of cinnamon leaf as well. And you leave that to cure. Yes guys, so this is it, our authentic Jamaican sorrel. And you know, when Christmas time, you know, this the enough all about the place, right? Yeah man, but we've been a drink sorrel before December, you know. Sorrel start coming from October, so some lovely ice cube. We're going to just dive into a nice glass of sorrel right now. This is it, guys. Yeah man, so this is it, guys. We're going to dive into this nice glass of sorrel here, and later on, this sorrel that you see I have made, we're gonna have it for din. So stay tuned for that video. Alrighty, so guys, I promised to show you my cured sorrel. So let's hop on over and show you. I've been curing this sorrel for a couple of years. Well, yeah. Alright, let's hop on over. Come along, guys. So I have 2 buckets of sorrel. So this is it, guys. You see the color? And let me tell you something. The cover, when it was going into fermentation mode, oh my god, it burst up the cover that I have on top of it, you know. Let me show you the cover. Let me show you. See it here? Sorrel do that, you know. The sorrel burst up the cover, you know. I can't believe it. So let me show you. Let me stir up this one and show you what it look like. And I'm going to show you the next bucket. The sorrel that turned into wine. Notice the color of it? Yeah. Alright, let me show you the next bucket now. Let's hop on over to the next bucket of sorrel. And this smells real good. So the colors, guys, the color, this is the next bucket of sorrel. It changed from red, changed from the burgundy red to this brown here that you see I have it. So it's 2 buckets. So this one is full to the brim, and the next one, as you notice, yeah. So I eat that, guys. This is my cured sorrel, and I also have some sorrel in the fridge too that is cured. But guess what? It don't lose its color because I have it in the fridge. Oh my God, I have it in the fridge for probably a year or 2 years. And that is sorrel nice. So yeah, man. This is my cured sorrel. Sorrel turn into wine.